Why is New Orleans, Louisiana such a mind-blowing city to visit in 2024? Let's break it down into 5 reasons that will make you want to pack your bags and head on over to the Big Easy. First off, the food. From po' boys to beignets, New Orleans is a culinary wonderland that will leave your taste buds begging for more. Next, the music. Whether you're into jazz, blues, or funk, the live music scene in New Orleans is second to none. You can catch a show at a world-famous venue like Preservation Hall, or simply wander the streets and soak up the sounds. Then there's the history. From the French Quarter to the Garden District, New Orleans is steeped in a rich and diverse history that is just waiting to be explored. And let's not forget about Mardi Gras. If you're looking for a party, there's no better place to be than New Orleans during the world-famous carnival season. Finally, the people. New Orleans is known for its friendly and welcoming locals, who are always happy to share their city with visitors. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to New Orleans, and get ready to experience all that this incredible city has to offer. Trust us, you won't be disappointed.